Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa. You are looking at a 2025 Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf. This is a Surf Edition with the Bravo 4 forward-facing drive. This Mercury IO is safe for riders with the front-facing propeller. We have a spacious aft sun pad back here with a transom shower. Hose off your board or your water toys and get back in the boat without getting anything else messy. We have a transom stereo remote and a charging receptacle so you can keep your tunes going all day long without fighting with the driver. Stainless steel cup holders and a wide walkthrough here. Underneath, we have in-floor storage, but it doubles as a molded cooler. So it's self-draining. You can fill it up with ice, put some White Claws in it. So if you've got little kids on board or pets, and you want to make sure they stay inside the boat at all times, we've got this little door here to add that little extra layer of safety. There's a lighted pathway, step down into the boat, so nobody's stubbing toes late at night getting off on the dock. This backrest is facing forward right now for the captain and co-captain. It's extra wide with this bolster cushion. Turn it into a leaning post, and 2 and even 3 people can fit really comfortably side by side here. You've got the Fusion audio system with subwoofers, super clear, beautiful sound. When you're ready to face the action in the back of the boat, there's a little lever right here. You push that up and you slide the seat forward and it'll stop wherever you let it go. So that can face the back of the boat. We have another charging receptacle here, and we have a built-in wireless charging pad. So no matter what cord you've got on your iPhone or your Android, you're gonna be able to charge that right there. Another wireless charging pad on the port side, and adjustable passenger backrest as well. Give it a push, and you're facing the action on the back of the boat. This is a 25-foot boat, but it does have a vacuum flush head compartment. Kind of doubles as a berth. There's lots of room here. You can lay it all the way down here, get the kids out of the sun and ready for a nap. Coming towards the bow, you've got your Fusion audio system. This is touchscreen, which is super easy to navigate and control here. You can go through your tunes with the touch of a button. Got a little glove box right here, keep your phone out of the sun. A bow door that is bifold, you flip that open, and you've got a nice wind block on those chilly evenings. Keep the wind out of the cockpit, and under this windshield you've got a nice protected environment. We have the PTM Edge ski rear view mirror here, so the driver can see the riders and tubers and surfers without having to turn around from the helm. Super spacious bow seating with a filler cushion. So this is the comfort bundle. And unlike other filler cushions, this one can fold so that it's easier to store. Likewise, this plate down here folds in half and you can store it away. And it's a unique shape, so you're not gonna be confused which direction it goes in. It goes in the same way every time. You've got lighting, cup holders, speakers, and charging receptacles all the way around the bow here. So no matter if you're sitting up front, here in the cockpit, or all the way in the back at the aft, you've got the most comfortable seat in the house. We have a sport arch here with a bimini tower pylon for our slalom skiers. And this boat is ready for its new home here at MarineMax in Nisswa.